Feeling stressed, too much body pain, muscle fatigue all over, not feeling confident in your own skin? Change the way you see things. Experience the healing therapy of fire that can melt away your stress and the calming sensation of water to pamper your body. Give yourself what you deserve and experience the change. The slimming shower head could help massage the body through the cupping function. It can relax the nervous system, promote blood circulation, help lessen fatigue, and prevent muscle strain. It loosens the muscles by bringing an influx of blood to the area and softens the underlying muscle tissue. Feel better as the slimming shower absorbs your stress and muscle tension. While massaging the body, its negative pressure can also help eliminate fat found under the skin. Feel lighter in an instant with the suction therapy of the slimming shower head. Love your skin, love your body, love life. Change the way you shower.